because we want to kick off this episode with a story from our friends over at Vast Data because they are claiming a big upgrade and have landed fresh funding rounds at the same time. This new version, 5.0, includes multi-protocol and unified namespaces in AWS for a claimed 80% cost advantage over EBS. The new software also has intelligent anomaly detection and log analytics. The company bagged a $118 million Series E round, boosting their valuation to over $9 billion. Vast just keeps getting bigger, Stephen.
Absolutely. And frankly, Vast is doing it. In fact, I'm not even sure why they needed that Series E round, except if it was a way to kind of open the door to some last minute investors in order to prep the company to go public. That sometimes happens. Or maybe they're just waiting on the market to pick up a little bit so that they'll look even better. But frankly, the company looks great already. Everything I'm hearing says that they're making money. They're doing really well. They're selling. They've turned over some folks internally in order to basically move the company to the next level, especially on the sales side. And that's what happens with these companies as they mature. But happily, they're also maturing the software. As you mentioned, for AWS at reInvent, they were talking about basically competing with EBS or EFS, sorry. And that's what the new platform can do. You've got now a cluster can span different AWS zones, I believe. I wasn't briefed on it, so I'm not 100% sure. You've also got some nice real-time intelligence in there in terms of audited logs and anomaly detection, as well as acceleration for their database offering, which is sort of a dark horse product for the company. I think most people think of Vast as basically a scale-out NAS, but it also has database and object storage components as well. Really, the company's doing great. It's great to see them finding a nice place in the cloud. It's great to see, of course, anybody saving customers money. And their report that they released here shows that a 300 terabyte EFS customer could reduce their cost from $90,000 a month to just $20,000 a month with Vast, which is a pretty nice offering. So I'd say overall, good news for Vast. Very excited to see what they do next. A bunch of good people with good software.